Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's me, Chisom Wanganga. If this is your first time seeing this cute face, please hit that subscribe button right down below and hit the bell like icon so you get notified anytime I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're the real MVP. So guys, today I was just like, I feel like I had these cravings of eating banana bread. I was like, okay, I think I'm gonna bake some and I want to take you guys along, so stay tuned. And guys, please, we want to get this channel to 1K subscribers before the end of this year, so please hit that subscribe button right down below. It's totally free, you're not being charged for anything. Just hit the subscribe button right down below and watch the video to the end. Love you guys, stay tuned and don't touch that. Guys, I'll be using 2 eggs, then a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking soda, then half a cup of butter, half a cup of brown sugar, then 2 cups of flour. Then what is banana bread without banana? So we'll be using banana. We'll just be using like 5 fingers of this banana. So then we'll add a little flavor using this vanilla essence. So let's get started. Start first by doing the bananas. Let's unpeel them. So guys, we actually need like overripe bananas, but I could not really find some, so I'm using this one like that. So guys, you're going to be mixing the butter and the sugar together. So guys, make sure you mix it till the butter is well melted and they're all mixed together. So guys, we're adding the banana to this. You want to give it a good mix here, because once you put it in the flour, you don't want to mix so much. So we're adding our vanilla essence now. So we're adding one teaspoon. And we mix to the way it's looking. Yo. We're adding the flour. So guys, we have added the flour now, so we are just giving it like a good mix. This is actually so easy. So the cinnamon, salt and baking soda, everything is done. So we're just gonna blend everything inside and mix it so well. So we're pouring it now into our baking pan. So I've already greased and floored. I've already greased the pan. The pan is already greased. Okay, guys. So see, this something is too sweet to remain anyone in the pan, so I think I'm going to scrape everything with my hand. Like everything has to enter this pan, every single thing. Yeah, this is so nice, so tasty. Oh, I can't wait to eat it. To make sure that everything is well. So guys, it's ready to enter the oven. But before that, you're going to add, I want to add some toppings. What we have here is cashew nuts and some coconuts, baked coconuts. Banana bread is ready. We have to dip to check. It came out clean. Ready? Our banana bread is ready, so we're going to allow it to cool. So proud. Out now. Still very hot. is a tray of good. Hi guys, so we are done with our baking. As you can see, oh, that bread was nice. Like, in fact, it's even in front of me now. Let me just eat it in front of you guys. Like, it's so nice, it's soft, nice, so nice. Like, hi. Oh, guys, this is nice. This is very nice. Like, so please, you're Fit Farm here, so I'm not really eating much. So if you have not subscribed, please do so. I'm coming. If you have not subscribed, please do so to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I post a new video. And please, if you try this recipe, tag me to it, follow my IG, I'll put it on the screen. So till my next one, guys, love you guys. And oh god, forgot to tell you guys happy new year, welcome to 2021. Please, 2021, please be good to us. Yes, please. Okay, see you guys later. Bye guys.